what you want, you can call it what you want. Thermostat Williams was cool as a fan. He ran the neighborhood, was the man in demand. But Thermostat Williams got too hot on the block. They ran him out of town and the whole operation stopped, saying, what about us? Everybody's saying, what about us? Goes the neighborhood one way or another. You can call it what you want, but the young blood's taking over. So don't get too comfortable, just plan on moving over. Cause things won't stay the same, it's the same thing over and over. What about us? Everybody's saying, what about us? Hey, Mr. Williams, what you gonna do now? You done got way too big for that little big town. They don't look at you the same when you come around. And everybody wants an out, and the voices keep getting louder, saying, what about us? Everybody's saying, what about us? Another, you can call it what you want, but the young blood's taking over. So don't get too comfortable, just plan on moving over. Cause things won't stay the same, it's the same thing over and over. What about us? Too comfortable, just plan on moving over. Cause things won't stay the same, it's the same thing over and over. What about us? And everybody's saying, what about us? You can call it what you want.
Thank you. It's an honor to be here, Tiny Desk.